Best Paraphrasing Tool Quillbot AI. Are you tired of trying to change the language in your writing to make it more readable and interesting? Would you like to polish up your writing and increase your skills? If the reply is yes, your best choice is Quillbot AI, an advanced paraphrasing tool. In this essay, we'll look at Quillbot's advantages and capabilities, as well as how it can improve your writing. Quillbot's paraphrase tool will convert your writing into a new style that looks more creative. Introduction to Quillbot AI. An online Quillbot paraphrase tool uses artificial intelligence to rewrite text while preserving the original meaning. Thesaurus, synonym, and grammar check are just a few of the services the program offers to assist authors in improving their writing abilities. The program is made to help authors create original content quickly and effectively. Key features of Quillbot AI. Quillbot AI distinguishes itself from other online paraphrase tools with a number of capabilities. Key characteristics include modes of paraphrasing tool. Quillbot AI. Quillbot AI, a revolutionary paraphrasing tool. Quillbot's AI collects information rapidly and effectively using AI technology. There are 6 different paraphrase options available in the tool: standard, fluency, creative, shorter, expand, and formal. Standard mode. Quillbot's AI operates in this mode by default. By keeping the original meaning and tone, it paraphrases the text. It works best for routine writing jobs. Fluency mode. This setting aims to make the information more readable and fluid. To make the information more fluid and simple to read, it modifies the sentence structure and word choice. Creative mode. This setting is intended for authors who want to infuse their writing with the creative touch. To make the content more creative and expressive, it modifies it. Shorten mode. This option aims to condense the content's length while preserving its original meaning. It works well for writers who want to condense lengthy essays or other content. Expand mode. This option is intended to increase the content's length while preserving its original meaning. It works best for authors who want to enhance their text with more specifics. Formal mode. This writing style was created especially for academic writing. It retains a formal, academic tone while paraphrasing the substance. Students and scholars who want to paraphrase their work for academic purposes will find it most useful. Users can choose the writing mode that best fits their requirements and objectives. Thesaurus. Users can access a large thesaurus database provided by Quillbot AI to find various synonyms for a given word. The program suggests suitable synonyms for a word that improve the content's readability and clarity. Quillbot Grammar Check. Quillbot AI has an AI grammar checker tool that can check for grammar and spelling using artificial intelligence. Advanced algorithms and natural language processing detect grammatical, punctuation, and spelling issues in your content. Copy and paste your text into the Quillbot Grammar Check or upload a document. Grammar, spelling, and punctuation will be checked. The application also suggests ways to fix these problems, helping you write better. The Quillbot Grammar Check also detects sentence structure, verb tense, and word choice errors. The tool can help you find unclear or confusing parts of your writing and improve it. Quillbot's AI Grammar Checker offers contextual suggestions. The tool evaluates your text and makes suggestions that fit its meaning and tone. This ensures accurate and useful tool suggestions. Plagiarism Checker Quillbot AI. The online plagiarism checker Quillbot AI checks your writing for plagiarism. It compares your material to a huge database of published literature using powerful algorithms. The tool helps writers, students, educators, and others verify the originality of their content. Copy and paste your content into Quillbot's Plagiarism Analyzer or upload a document. The program analyzes your work and generates a plagiarism report. The analysis details your content's originality, noting any duplicates. Quillbot's Plagiarism Checker gives you a percentage score for your content's originality. A higher score shows originality, whereas a lower score suggests copying. The Plagiarism Checker Quillbot AI helps writers avoid plagiarism. It can prevent accidental plagiarism and assure ethical and scholarly content. Co-writer Quillbot AI. The co-writer Quillbot lets you write better and faster online. It suggests text improvements as you type using powerful algorithms and machine learning. Writers, students, professionals, and corporations can use the user-friendly tool. Start typing in the text editor to use Quillbot's co-writer. The tool will correct grammar, suggest words and phrases, and improve your writing style as you write. Synonyms, thesaurus integration, and translation are also available. Quillbot's co-writer may rewrite sentences and paragraphs for clarity. This helps with wordy or unclear authors. Based on context and audience, the tool can also improve writing tone and style. The co-writer Quillbot AI can help you write better and faster. It can boost your writing speed, quality, and accuracy. AI Summarizer Tool. Quillbot, an AI summarizer tool, can summarize long texts into shorter, easier to read summaries online. Advanced algorithms and natural language processing technology evaluate the text and highlight key points. It's useful for students, academics, journalists, and anyone who needs to swiftly grasp a large document's main contents. Copy and paste your text into Quillbot's summarizer tool. Upload a document or linked to the source text. After you input the content, the tool will summarize the most significant facts. Quillbot's AI summarizer tool can shorten or lengthen material. If you need more detail, you can summarize the material in a few phrases or paragraphs. Customize the summary's length and focus with the tool. Quillbot's summary tool preserves the text's meaning and context. The program can provide accurate and coherent summaries that capture the spirit of the source material. Quillbot's AI summarizer tool is useful for rapidly grasping a lengthy document's main elements. Compressing extensive materials into concise summaries saves time and effort. Citation Generator Tool. Quillbot AI. Quillbot's online AI citation generator lets you format citations for academic papers and other writing, automatically producing APA, MLA, Chicago, and Harvard citations saves time. Enter the source material's author, title, publication date, and other information into Quillbot's citation generation tool. The program then generates a citation in your preferred style with the author, title, date, and publication information. Quillbot can cite books, journal articles, websites, and more. The utility helps format in text and bibliography citations. Quillbot can automatically detect source material and generate a citation in the right style. For writers unfamiliar with citation styles, this can save time and effort. The Quillbot AI citation generator is useful for writing precise, properly styled citations. It saves time, checks citations, and helps authors satisfy academic and professional requirements. AI Translator. Quillbot AI. Quillbot is an internet AI translator that rapidly and easily translates text. Machine learning and natural language processing algorithms deliver real-time, precise translations. Enter the text you want to translate into the Quillbot translator and choose the source and target languages. The tool then produces a target language translation. Quillbot supports 30 languages including English, Spanish, French, German, Chinese, and Japanese. Businesses, researchers, and language learners can utilize the program to translate text and documents. Quillbot's AI translator retains the source text's meaning and tone. Advanced algorithms examine the text's context and intent to generate more accurate translations that capture the original language's subtleties. The Quillbot AI translator is useful for fast, precise text translation. It saves time, improves language communication, and helps people and businesses contact more people. Quillbot Extension. Installable browser extensions are available from Quillbot AI for Chrome, Firefox, and Safari. By using the extension, authors can paraphrase information without leaving their current window and without visiting the Quillbot website. Extension for Word document. Follow these instructions to install the Quillbot extension for Word. 1. Start your computer's Microsoft Word program. 2. At the top of the screen, select the Insert tab. 3. Click the menu option labeled Get Add-ins. 4. Use the search bar to look up Quillbot in the Office add-ins shop. 5. After locating the Quillbot extension, select it by clicking the Add button. 6. You'll see a pop-up box asking if you really want to install the Quillbot extension. To continue, click 7. The Quillbot extension will be downloaded and installed by Microsoft Word. You be informed the Quillbot extension has been added to Word once the installation is complete. 8. You may now begin instantly paraphrasing your text in Microsoft Word utilizing the Quillbot extension. To use the Quillbot add-on, you must have a working internet connection because it paraphrases your text using cloud-based processing. Quillbot Premium Account. The account purchase option offered by Quillbot AI is a fantastic investment in your writing career, whether you're a student or a professional writer. You have access to all Quillbot AI features, such as sophisticated paraphrasing and grammatical checking, as well as priority customer assistance with the paid account. Check Quillbot. An outstanding program that supports writers in numerous ways to improve their writing is Quillbot AI. Many advantages include time saving. Quillbot AI paraphrases text swiftly and effectively, saving you a lot of time. The technology enables writers to quickly produce original content. Readability. For each word, Quillbot AI provides acceptable synonyms that improve the content's readability and clarity. The tool aids authors in producing information that is simple to read and comprehend. Originality. A plagiarism detector is provided by Quillbot AI to guarantee the originality of the content. The program identifies the copied material and makes adjustment recommendations to increase the content's uniqueness. Quillbot Grammar Check. A built-in grammar checker in Quillbot AI recognizes grammatical problems in the content. The tool makes correction recommendations and aids writers in honing their writing abilities. Conclusion. As a result, Quillbot AI is a superb paraphrase tool that enables authors to produce original and understandable content rapidly and effectively. Thesaurus, Grammar Check, and Plagiarism Checker are just a few of the capabilities the program offers to help authors become better writers. For writers who wish to improve their writing abilities and make it sound more professional, Quillbot AI is a need.